Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Start an inventory of sources, estimate total size, and create a small 1% sample to discover schema and outliers. Once done, provision scalable storage like S3 or HDFS and configure lifecycle rules for cost control. Make sure to record schemas and establish ingestion pipelines using chunked reads or streaming. This reduces memory pressure and lets you start processing immediately while catching structural issues early. You now move into the complex middle, design processing that minimizes I/O and maximizes parallelism. Partition or shard the data to align with query patterns, and pick columnar formats like Parquet or ORC for compression and predicate pushdown. Once partitioned, apply column pruning and efficient encodings to cut storage and CPU cost. Make sure to monitor CPU, memory, and network metrics, and iteratively tune parallelism and batch sizes so processing runs steadily without swapping or network saturation. You finish by validating and committing results, and then harden the pipeline. Run checksum and row count comparisons and spot compare samples to source data to ensure correctness. Once validated, write metadata and enforce access controls, version outputs so you can roll back if needed. If something goes wrong, first replay from the last checkpoint, then increase executor memory or reduce batch size to relieve pressure. And if problems persist, isolate the failed partition, reproduce locally, and fix deterministic data errors before reprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.